Dear students, today I will discuss with you some important MCQ from the chapter solid state. The first question is, substance which is weakly repelled by a magnetic field is what? So these are the choices given. Out of the choice, water is the correct answer. Okay, because it is diamagnetic. Water is diamagnetic. Understand? Next, which of the following metal oxide is anti-ferromagnetic in nature? Okay, anti-ferromagnetic. So see, these substances are classified as one is paramagnetic, okay, means paramagnetic means weakly attracted, okay, weakly attracted by the magnetic field. Then ferromagnetic, strongly attracted by magnetic field, and these ferromagnetic substances are made magnetism. Okay, the ferromagnetic substances are made permanently magnetism. These are also called permanent magnets. Okay, so paramagnetic substance example, which are paramagnetic substance? Your oxygen, aluminum, vanadium oxide, okay, and some rare earth metals, paramagnetic, some rare earth, okay, rare earth elements, the substance which are placed in the last of the periodic table, that is F block, placed in the F block, that is rare earth elements. Okay, yes. So ferromagnetic substance, which are ferromagnetic substance? So ferromagnetic substance, your iron, nickel, cobalt. These are ferromagnetic substance. Okay. Then what are diamagnetic substance? Diamagnetic substance repelled by magnet. It is weakly repelled. Or you can say not attracted by magnetic field. Diamagnetic. How you remember di? Di means you say death. Okay. Di means it is the trick to remember. Di means death. Death towards magnet. Okay. So example of diamagnetic substance, your copper, gold, silver, water. These are your diamagnetic substance. Okay. Then you say anti-ferromagnetic substance. Anti-ferro. Antiferromagnetics. What is antiferromagnetics? Antiferromagnetics. So these are paramagnetic and ferromagnetic substance, but the parallel of spin is cancelled by each other. You see, the parallel of spin cancelled by each other, like this. The parallel of the spin cancelled by each other, that is anti-ferromagnetism. Okay, the atomic movements align in opposite directions, that is antiparallel within a material, resulting in a net zero magnetic movement, that is net zero magnetic movement. Okay, that is zero. Example, your chromium, hematite, that is Fe2O3. Then your iron and manganese alloy. Okay, iron and manganese alloy. Then nickel oxide. These are antiferromagnetic substance. Understand? So question, you are here, what is antiferromagnetic substance? MnO2. Antiferromagnetic MnO2. It is antiferromagnetic substance. So question number 2. Antiferromagnetic substance that is MnO2. Next, the energy gap between valency bond and conduction bond are band. The energy gap between valency band and conduction band. Okay, band. So that is for diamond, silicon and germanium are in the order. So these are the orders given. You should know what is energy gap. See, the gap between, say, these are the valence electrons. Okay, and it is the conduction band, conduction gap. So if the gap, valency gap and conduction gap, it is overlapping, say valency and conduction overlapping, then it is said to be the conductor. If the distance is more, valency and conduction band, it is more, then it is insulator. Okay, if it is in between, then it is said to be semiconductor. Okay, so here what is the order? Say your diamond greater than silicon greater than germanium. Okay, next, which of the compound is metallic and ferromagnetism? This chromium oxide, it is metallic and ferromagnetism. Okay, you see chromium, I am saying chromium. The chromium is antiferromagnetic. Chromium is antiferromagnetic, but here the chromium oxide is ferromagnetic. Okay, next, for which crystal anion control is anion contact is valid? You see sodium iodide, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, starting from fluorine, bromine, iodine, then astatine. Okay, so this iodine is having larger size as compared to this sodium. Okay, as compared to sodium, the iodine is largest in size. So here the sodium metal can be used as a void. Sodium as a void, and that is why I and I minus can be contact each other. Next, which has no rotation of symmetry? Last question, which has no rotation of symmetry? So these are the choices given. Here this is triclinic. Okay, why it is so? Because has no rotation of symmetry, because it is most unsymmetrical. Triclinic is most unsymmetrical. Triclinic is most unsymmetrical. Okay, students, have a good day.